Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Portmore and we're going to give you a tour of the Portmore Informatics Park. Now this is one of the largest buildings in Portmore. And it's located almost across the road from the Portmore Resilience Park. To the right of where we are is the Portmore Resilience Park. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this informatics park. The Portmore Informatics Park, located along East Tradeway in Portmore, St. Catherine, represents one of Jamaica's most significant investments in the country's growing information technology and business process outsourcing (BPO) sector. Developed by the Port Authority of Jamaica and managed through the Kingston Free Zone Company Limited, the park is designed to position Portmore as a major hub for digital services, job creation, and technological innovation. The facility covers more than 200,000 square feet of modern office and commercial space. Its expansion, valued at approximately $3.5 billion, added about 157,000 square feet to the complex, transforming it into one of the largest BPO campuses in the country. The Portmore Informatics Park was built with state-of-the-art features including energy-efficient systems, advanced security, and high-speed connectivity. The park also includes a plug-and-play incubator that provides smaller technology companies and startups with an affordable space to operate. Several global service companies have established operations within the park, including Sutherland Global Services, Hinjai Global Solutions, ADV Communications, and AtPoint Jamaica. These companies serve clients across multiple industries such as banking, telecommunications, e-commerce, energy, and customer care. Together they provide employment for over 2,000 Jamaicans, most of whom are young professionals from the surrounding communities of Portmore, Spanish Town, and Kingston. The development also highlights Portmore's transformation from a primarily residential area to a modern urban center with economic and technological potential. By hosting major international companies and promoting local entrepreneurship, the Portmore Informatics Park stands as a symbol of progress, showing how strategic investments in technology and infrastructure can create sustainable growth opportunities for Jamaica. In summary, the Portmore Informatics Park is more than just a business complex. It is a model of Jamaica's future in digital innovation and global competitiveness. It strengthens the island's reputation as a leading destination for outsourcing in the Caribbean and opens doors for thousands of Jamaicans to build careers in the global technology industry. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.